Hi students, in the last lecture we start our new chapter differentiation, and in this session we study derivatives of a composite function. Now we start new point, derivatives of an inverse function theorem. First of all we see one result. If y is equal to f of x is a differentiable function of x such that x is equal to f inverse of y exists, then x is a differentiable function of y and dx upon dy is equal to dy upon dx such that dy upon dx not equal to 0. Denominator is not 0. If it becomes 0, then the function is indefinite. It can be determined. So, if y is f of x such that we get x is equal to f inverse of y exists, then the function x is a differentiable function of y. If x is a differentiable function of y, then y is a differentiable function of x. So, dx upon dy is equal to what? 1 upon dy upon dx. Now, we see examples. Find the rate of change of demand x with respect to price y of the following commodities. Of the following commodities, that is y is equal to 20 plus 15x square, 20 plus 15x plus x square. This is our function y, and we have to find the rate of change of demand x with respect to price y. That means we have to find rate of change of demand with respect to price y. But what is demand x and price is y? So we have to find here dx upon dy. But we have given the function y. So after differentiating, we get dy upon dx. And by using this theorem or this result, inverse function theorem, dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy upon dx. Y is equal to, so differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So we get dy upon dx is equal to derivative of 20 is 0 because this is constant term, plus derivative of 15x is 15 plus derivative of x square is 2x. We get dy upon dx, but we have to find dx upon dy. Therefore, by inverse function theorem, dx upon dy is equal to what? 1 upon dy upon dx. Therefore, the rate of change of demand x with respect to price y is dx upon dy is equal to, write this term, 1 upon 15 plus 2x. And in standard 11 we also study marginal demand and marginal supply. So what is meant by marginal demand? The rate of change of demand with respect to price is called as marginal demand, and the rate of change of supply with respect to price is called as marginal supply. These two concepts we already studied. Now we take exercise 3.2. Find the rate of change of demand x with respect to price y. With respect to price y. So first one function y is equal to 12 plus 10x. 12 plus 10x plus 25x square. That is our function y. 12 plus 10x plus 25x square. So first differentiate this term. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to, again derivative of 12 constant term which is 0 plus derivative of 10x, that is 10, plus derivative of 25 into x square. 25 is constant term and derivative of x square is 2x. So 10 plus 25 into 2, that is 50x. That is dy upon dx. But we have to find the rate of change of demand, that is dx upon dy. Therefore, by inverse function theorem, dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy upon dx, such that this dy upon dx not equal to 0. Therefore, the rate of change of demand x with respect to price y is what? Dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 50x. That is rate of change of demand with respect to price y. Second one, y is equal to 25x. Third one we will take 25x plus log of 1 plus x square. The second one you will try. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to, again derivative of 25x, this 25 plus log of 1 plus x square. We know derivative of log f of x, which is 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. So 1 upon 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus x square. Since the derivative of log of f of x is 1 upon f of x into f dash of x is equal to 25 plus. So derivative of 1 plus x square, derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of x square is 2x upon 1 plus x square as it is. We simplify this term by cross multiplication. 25 into 1 plus x square plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So this term 25 plus 25 x square plus 2x as it is divided by 1 plus x square, that is dy upon dx. But we have to find dx upon dy. So again write by inverse function theorem. By inverse function theorem, the rate of change of demand x with respect to price y is dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy upon dx, which is equal to 1 upon this term. So this denominator becomes numerator of this new term. 1 plus x square divided by 25 plus 25x square plus 2x, that is dx upon dy by using inverse function theorem. Now next question is there, find the marginal demand of a commodity. Question second is there, find the marginal demand of a commodity where demand is x and price is y. Marginal demand means what? The rate of change of demand with respect to price is called as marginal demand. Remember that y is equal to x e raised to minus x, x into e raised to minus x plus 7. So first differentiating this term. So right, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of y with respect to x, dy upon dx is equal to. Now here we have to use product rule because there are two terms, x and second term is e raised to minus x. So first keep first function as it is. So keep x as it is and take derivative of e raised to minus x. Plus now keep e raised to minus x as it is, second function as it is, into derivative of first function which is x here, plus derivative of 7 is 0 because this is constant term. So x into derivative of e raised to minus x. So derivative of minus x is minus 1 into e raised to minus x as it is, plus x into e raised to minus x and derivative of x is 1 here. So minus x e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x. So take e raised to minus x common and write positive term first and then minus x. So we will get e raised to minus x into 1 minus x. This is minus term here and here plus term. So write first term positive and second term minus x. Minus x plus 1 or 1 minus x, that is same. This can be written as 1 minus x upon e raised to minus x. Here the index is negative, in denominator it becomes positive. So dy upon dx is 1 minus x upon e raised to minus x. So what you have to find here? Marginal demand. And we know that marginal demand means rate of change of demand with respect to price mark, dx upon dy. So again by inverse function theorem, dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy upon dx, such that dy upon dx not equal to 0. This denominator never 0. Therefore, marginal demand, the marginal demand x with respect to price 1 is dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. So 1 upon dy by dx. So this term written as e raised to x divided by 1 minus x, that is marginal demand with respect to price 1. Second one, y is equal to x plus 2 divided by x square plus 1. X plus 2 divided by x square plus 1. Here we have to use quotient rule of derivative. So again differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy upon dx is equal to, what is quotient rule here? Keep second function as it is. Second function is x square plus 1, which already studied in last lecture. If we means second function x square plus 1, take derivative of first function. Take derivative of first function. Mirror sign is minus. In product rule it is plus. V into derivative of u plus u into u means x plus 2 into derivative of v. X square plus 1 divided by v square. V square means second function square, that is x square plus 1 whole bracket square is equal to, so first as it is, into derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 2 is 0, so into 1 minus x plus 2 as it is into derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of 1 is 0 and this denominator keep as it is, x square plus 1 bracket square is equal to, multiply this term 1 into this term, that is x square plus 1 minus 2x into x minus 2x square, 2 into 2x 4x, but this sign is minus, so right here minus 4x upon x x square plus 1 bracket square. Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to this x square minus 2x square. It become minus x square. Minus x square minus 4x plus 1. Minus 4x plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 whole bracket square. That is dy upon dx. But we have to find dx upon dy. So again write by inverse function theorem. By inverse function theorem, dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy upon dx. Therefore, the marginal demand x with respect to price y is given by dx upon dy is equal to what? 1 upon dy by dx. That means x square plus 1 whole bracket square divided by minus x square minus 4x plus 1. That is marginal demand with respect to price y. Third one example is there. Y is equal to 5x plus 9 upon 2x minus 10. 5x plus 9 divided by 2x minus 10. So again differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. That is dy upon dx. So again we use quotient rule here. So keep second function 2x minus 10 into derivative of first 5x plus 9 minus, now first as it is 5x plus 9 into derivative of 2x minus 10 upon 2x minus 10 bracket square. Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to 2x minus 10 into derivative of 5x. So multiply term 5. Derivative of 9 is 0 since it is constant. Minus 5x plus 9 into derivative of 2x is 2 and derivative of 10 is constant. So derivative is 0. Again, whole thing divided by 2x minus 10 square, keep as it is. Now multiply this term. 2x into 5 that is 10x minus 10 into 5 that is 50. Now 5x into 2 10x and here minus sign. So here minus 10x, 2 into 10, 9 into 2 18 minus 18 upon 2x minus 10 whole bracket square. Now here plus 10x and minus 10x. So this term will get cancelled and remaining terms are minus 50 and minus 18. So that is minus 68 upon 2x minus 10 bracket square. So dy upon dx. But we have to find again dx upon dy. So by inverse function theorem again write. Therefore, by inverse function theorem, dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy upon dx, and write here dy upon not equal to 0. Therefore, the marginal demand x with respect to price y is what? Dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon this term. That means minus 2x minus 10 bracket square divided by this 68. That is the marginal demand. And in next lecture we will see the derivatives of logarithmic functions. Thank you.